Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Kruns. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to change this face into this face. Okay, so let's begin. We're gonna be using the video editing app called Capcut. Let's create a new project and choose the video. Next, tap on the video clip until it's highlighted. Now you're gonna have to find below the cube that says style, then choose 3D cartoon. And that's it. You just have to wait. Now it's done. You can just delete this logo over here. And that's how you transform yourself into a cartoon character. If you like this video, click like and share it if you like. Bye.